Momentum Data Online Training. What is momentum data and why is it important in data analysis? Momentum data refers to data that captures the direction and speed of change over time, typically reflecting a trend or pattern of increasing or decreasing values. In the context of data analysis, momentum data is used to understand how variables evolve over a period and the rate of their change, offering valuable insights into future trends or behavior. Importance of momentum data in data analysis. Trend identification. Momentum data helps analysts identify trends in various fields such as finance, economics, or even customer behavior. For example, in financial markets, momentum indicators track stock price movements to predict future performance. Predictive power. Analyzing momentum can provide predictive insights by indicating whether a trend will continue, slow down, or reverse. This is particularly useful in areas like stock market analysis, sales forecasting, and demand planning. Risk management. By tracking momentum, analysts can assess the risk of continuing a current trend. In investments, for example, positive momentum might suggest a stable investment opportunity, while a sudden shift in momentum might signal the need for a risk-adjusted strategy. Decision support. Momentum data aids in decision-making by providing quantitative measures of change, which can support operational strategies, marketing campaigns, or business models. For instance, if customer sentiment is building momentum in a particular direction, businesses may decide to act on that information. Optimization. By monitoring momentum in various processes or operations, organizations can optimize performance by capitalizing on growing trends or adjusting to diminishing ones. In supply chain management, for example, momentum data might help anticipate product demand and adjust production schedules accordingly. How can momentum data be leveraged for predictive analytics? Momentum data can be a valuable asset for predictive analytics, especially in fields like finance, marketing, and operations, where identifying trends and anticipating future behavior is critical. Here's how momentum data can be leveraged. 1. Trend detection. Momentum data is often used to detect trends by examining the speed and direction of change in a particular variable. For example, in financial markets, momentum can help identify upward or downward trends in stock prices or asset values. Predictive models can use momentum data to forecast whether a trend will continue or reverse, which is critical for making investment or strategic decisions. 2. Regression models. Predictive analytics models, such as regression analysis, can incorporate momentum as a feature to predict future values. For instance, if momentum is showing a strong increase or decrease, it can indicate whether the dependent variable, example sales, stock price, customer churn, is likely to follow that same trend. Linear regression, time series forecasting, or more complex machine learning models can be trained on historical momentum data to predict future outcomes. 3. Time series forecasting. Momentum data is often time-dependent, meaning that the rate of change over time can indicate future states. Techniques like ARIMA, autoregressive integrated moving average, or machine learning models such as LSTM, long short-term memory, Networks can leverage momentum data to forecast future values by taking into account both the level and the rate of change over time. 4. Anomaly detection. Momentum data can be used for anomaly detection in predictive analytics. If the momentum suddenly increases or decreases significantly, this could signal a potential anomaly or outlier event that requires further investigation. This could be particularly useful in fraud detection, network security, or monitoring manufacturing processes. 5. Sentiment analysis. In marketing and customer experience, momentum data can be linked to sentiment analysis, where the rate of change in customer sentiment over time, example positive or negative feedback, can help predict future behaviors like purchase patterns, customer loyalty, or churn. Predictive models can use this information to forecast shifts in customer sentiment and take proactive actions. 6. Optimizing decision-making. Leveraging momentum data in predictive analytics can help organizations optimize decision-making. For instance, businesses can use momentum data in inventory management systems to predict stock levels and purchasing behavior. If the momentum data indicates a strong upward trend in product demand, predictive models can help adjust inventory levels ahead of time to avoid stockouts or overstocking. 7. Signal for market timing. In financial trading, momentum is often used as an indicator of when to buy or sell. Predictive analytics models can use momentum data to identify optimal entry or exit points in the market, enhancing trading strategies and potentially increasing profitability. 8. Customer segmentation. Momentum data can help businesses identify shifts in customer behavior and segment them based on their changing patterns. For instance, customers who show a consistent increase in engagement or purchases could be targeted for loyalty programs, while those showing a decline in momentum could be flagged for re-engagement strategies. What role does momentum data play in machine learning models? Momentum data, in the context of machine learning, typically refers to the concept of momentum used in optimization algorithms, specifically in training deep learning models. Momentum is a technique that helps accelerate gradient descent algorithms, improving the training process by allowing the model to converge more quickly and potentially avoiding local minima. Here's the role momentum data plays in machine learning models. Smoothing gradients. In optimization, especially gradient descent, the direction of updates can oscillate or be noisy, especially in high-dimensional spaces. Momentum helps to smooth these gradients by incorporating the previous gradient updates into the current update. This makes the optimization process more stable and helps the model move in a more consistent direction. Faster convergence. Momentum essentially remembers past gradient updates and incorporates them into future updates. This allows the optimizer to build speed in the direction of consistent gradients and reduce oscillations across shallow valleys, speeding up convergence towards the global minimum. Escaping local minima. In many machine learning problems, especially deep learning, optimization landscapes can have many local minima. Momentum can help the algorithm escape these local minima by continuing to push in the direction of the steepest descent, potentially allowing the model to find better solutions. Improving accuracy and stability. By using momentum, machine learning models typically achieve more stable convergence, which can lead to better generalization and less overfitting. This can be especially beneficial in models trained on large datasets with complex structures. Adaptation to complex datasets. In cases where training data is complex and has a noisy gradient, momentum helps guide the learning process, allowing the model to better adapt to these challenging datasets. This is critical in tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning, where the optimization landscape can be irregular. How does momentum data impact financial market predictions? Momentum data plays a critical role in financial market predictions by helping analysts and traders identify trends and potential price movements. Here's how momentum data impacts predictions. Trend identification. Momentum indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and the Rate of Change, ROC, help identify whether a security is in an uptrend or downtrend. A rising momentum suggests increasing buying interest, while declining momentum signals potential selling pressure. These trends can be used to predict future price movements and market sentiment. Market sentiment. Momentum data reflects the collective behavior of market participants. Positive momentum often indicates investor confidence and optimism, while negative momentum may suggest pessimism or fear. Traders use momentum to gauge the overall market sentiment and adjust their strategies accordingly. Price reversals. Momentum indicators can also highlight overbought or oversold conditions, which often precede price reversals. For example, when momentum indicators show that an asset is overbought with an RSI above 70, it could signal a potential price correction or reversal. Risk management. Traders use momentum data to assess risk and make informed decisions. For instance, when momentum is strong and rising, it may suggest a favorable environment for higher-risk investments. Conversely, weak or declining momentum could prompt traders to reduce exposure or hedge positions. Predictive power. Momentum-based strategies, such as trend-following models, rely on past price movement and volume to predict future performance. The assumption is that assets with strong past performance, positive momentum, will continue to perform well in the future, while assets with negative momentum may continue to underperform. Timing entry and exit points. Momentum data helps traders time their market entries and exits. A strong upward momentum might signal a good time to enter long positions, while weak or negative momentum might suggest it's time to exit or enter short positions. What are the key techniques for analyzing momentum data in real time? Analyzing momentum data in real time is essential for applications in finance, trading, and other industries where quick decision-making is critical. Key techniques for analyzing momentum data in real time include 1. Moving averages, MA. Simple moving average, SMA, averages the price over a set period to smooth out short-term fluctuations. Real-time analysis often uses shorter time frames, example 5-minute, 15-minute, for quicker insights. Exponential moving average, EMA, places more weight on recent data, making it more responsive to price changes. This is useful for identifying momentum shifts faster. 2. Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, helping identify overbought or oversold conditions. An RSI value above 70 typically indicates overbought conditions. Momentum may slow down, while below 30 indicates oversold. Momentum may increase. 3. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two EMAs. A crossover of the MACD line and signal line is a key signal for momentum changes. 4. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, SMA, and two outer bands that represent standard deviations. When price movements approach the upper or lower bands, it signals high momentum, while contraction indicates lower momentum. 5. Volume Analysis. Momentum is often confirmed by volume. An increase in volume alongside price movement strengthens the momentum signal, while a decrease in volume suggests weakening momentum. 6. Trend Indicators. Average Directional Index, ADX, measures the strength of a trend, helping to differentiate between trending and ranging markets. Commodity Channel Index, CCI, helps identify cyclical trends and price extremes that can signal momentum changes. 7. Rate of Change, ROC. ROC measures the percentage change in a value over a specified period, indicating the speed of price changes. A high ROC suggests a strong momentum in the price direction. 8. Stochastic Oscillator. This compares a particular closing price to a range of prices over a certain period. Values above 80 are considered overbought, potential momentum reversal, and below 20 are oversold, potential buying momentum. 9. Real-time machine learning models. For more advanced momentum analysis, machine learning models, example, decision trees, neural networks, can analyze historical momentum data to predict future trends and momentum shifts in real time. How can momentum data enhance data-driven decision-making? Momentum data can significantly enhance data-driven decision-making by providing insights into trends, market shifts, and patterns that reflect the velocity of change. Here's how it contributes. Trend identification. Momentum data allows decision-makers to identify rising trends and shifts before they fully manifest. By analyzing the rate of change, businesses can anticipate market movements and adjust strategies proactively. Predictive insights. Momentum data, when paired with predictive analytics, helps forecast future developments. For example, if sales data shows a rapid increase in a product's demand, companies can adjust production schedules and supply chains accordingly. Risk mitigation. By monitoring the momentum of key performance indicators, KPIs, over time, organizations can spot potential risks early. For instance, a sudden drop in user engagement or sales growth can signal an issue that needs immediate attention. Competitive advantage. With momentum data, businesses can stay ahead of competitors by reacting quickly to market dynamics. If a competitor's performance is plateauing or declining, a business can capitalize on this momentum shift. Resource allocation. Momentum data can optimize resource allocation by identifying areas with the highest growth potential. For instance, in marketing campaigns, understanding which channels are gaining momentum allows businesses to reallocate budget toward those high-performing areas. Strategic planning. By analyzing momentum, organizations can refine long-term strategies. Whether it's product development, market expansion, or customer engagement, momentum data can guide decision makers in setting realistic yet ambitious goals. Real-time monitoring. Momentum data can be used for real-time decision-making, where fast reactions are crucial. For example, in financial markets, momentum indicators can help traders execute timely buy or sell decisions based on current trends. What are the challenges in interpreting momentum data in complex systems? Interpreting momentum data in complex systems presents several challenges due to the intricacies of these systems. Some of the key challenges include nonlinear dynamics. Complex systems often exhibit nonlinear behaviors where small changes can lead to disproportionately large or unpredictable effects. Momentum, which is typically a linear concept, may not easily apply to such systems, making interpretation difficult. Multidimensionality. Complex systems often have multiple interacting variables or dimensions, such as in financial markets, weather systems, or biological networks. Momentum in one variable might not reflect the true state of the system as a whole. Identifying the most relevant dimensions of momentum is crucial but can be challenging. Noise and disturbances. Complex systems tend to be noisy, meaning that random fluctuations or disturbances may obscure meaningful trends. Momentum signals can be diluted by these noises, making it harder to distinguish true momentum from random variation. Feedback loops. Many complex systems feature feedback mechanisms, where outputs are fed back into the system as inputs. This can lead to reinforcing or dampening of momentum, which complicates the task of interpreting how momentum develops and changes over time. Data quality and availability. In many complex systems, data may be incomplete, delayed, or inaccurate. Missing or low-quality data can significantly hinder the analysis of momentum and the identification of key driving factors. Time scale sensitivity. Momentum can vary across different time scales, and interpreting this across short-term versus long-term periods requires careful consideration. What appears to be a momentum shift in the short term may not persist over time, and this temporal sensitivity must be accounted for in analysis. Interdependencies and causality. Momentum in one part of a system may be influenced by or influence momentum in other parts. Determining the direction and strength of these causal relationships requires sophisticated analysis to prevent misinterpretation. Modeling complexity. The models used to interpret momentum often involve simplifying assumptions that may not capture the full complexity of the system. For example, linear models may be inadequate for representing complex, dynamic behaviors, and choosing the right model is critical for accurate momentum interpretation. Interpretation of collective behavior. In some systems, such as social networks or crowds, the momentum of the system is a collective phenomenon. Understanding how individual behaviors contribute to system-wide momentum can be difficult, especially when considering the diversity of individual actions and motivations. Why choose ProExcellency for momentum data online training? Choosing ProExcellency for momentum data online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency provides trainers who are experts in their field, ensuring you receive high-quality and up-to-date training on momentum data. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program is designed to cover all critical aspects of momentum data, including data management, analysis, and advanced features. This helps learners gain in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience. Interactive learning experience. The platform offers interactive sessions, allowing for real-time queries and doubt resolution. This improves engagement and enhances learning outcomes. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers flexible schedules for online training, enabling you to learn at your own pace while managing your professional commitments. Practical approach. The training includes practical exercises, case studies, and real-world applications to help you grasp concepts effectively and apply them in real business scenarios. Supportive community. You'll be part of a community of learners, providing you with opportunities to network, share insights, and collaborate on challenges. Certification. Upon completion, ProExcellency provides certification that can enhance your resume and validate your expertise in momentum data. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency offers competitive pricing with value-added services, making it a cost-effective choice for comprehensive online training. Thank you.